Hi, this is Bill from Polar Heating and Air. Today we're going to do a maintenance check on an air conditioner and show you what you could expect when you have us out. We're also going to check over the refrigerant charge and make sure the coils are clean. So thank you for watching. Crickets in there. What we're doing right now is just taking the whole jacket off the air conditioner so we can go ahead and clean it. You can see down here and you'll get a better view once we take all this apart. The coil is extremely dirty and that's going to affect our cooling performance as well as the efficiency. We got the majority of the panels off here so you can get a good idea of what this dirty coil looks like, and we're going to go ahead and next step's going to be to put the cleaner on and get this thing in better shape here. Let's put this out. Okay, next step is we're going to put the coil cleaner on the condenser coil here. Just another reminder that this should be done by a qualified professional only. This is just for educational purposes. We did already go ahead, which you didn't see on video, we killed the 220 volt electricity going to the unit. So there's no electrocution hazard here. Also, you'll see I have eye protection on. This coil cleaner is an alkaline based cleaner. And if it gets on your skin or eyes, it could burn you. So I'm going to use all the precaution here. Normally we don't take all the panels off like this. We could spray this right through the screen inlets here, but for the video purpose you can see how this foam spray works. Okay, we got our water here, our hose. We're going to go ahead and clean this off. Okay, you can see that the coil's pretty much like brand new now. So what we're going to do now is just go ahead and put it all back together so we can start it back up, and then we're going to check the refrigerant.